All right, so whenever you see these questions, guys, you want to combine like terms. Combine like terms on the left side and the right side if you can. First question there, what can I combine on the left side of that equation? What are like terms on the left side of that equation? Yeah, 2b and minus 5b, right? So 2 minus 5 is negative 3b. And then I have the 8 and the 3. 8 plus 3 is, of course, 11. Right side, what can I combine? What's negative 13 and minus 5? You borrow 13 bucks from me and you borrow another 5. You would owe me $18. And then the b's just stay there. Now I gotta either subtract 8b or add 3b to both sides. I'm gonna choose to add just so I don't have to worry about a negative. B's are all together now. Let's get rid of a minus 18. Add it to both sides. And then your last step is to divide by what's ever in front of the variable. So I told you that one would come out as a fraction. There it is. Could make it a mixed number. 2 and 7, 11, so it'd be fine as well. Question B, similar. And that I have negative 3x. 7 and 8, of course, add up to 15. Right side, 3 times 5 is 15. 3 times 6x is 18x. Now we can combine those two things right away. What's 18x minus 12x? 18 minus 12 is 6. Okay, now what? Okay, so add 3x or subtract 6x? Add 3x to both sides, all right. So now my x's are over here. Let's get rid of this plus 15. Subtract 15 from both sides. And now divide by 9. 0 divided by 9. 0. And question C. Left side is good. Right side, 2 times 6, 2 times negative c. Can combine that on the right side. 7 minus 2 is 5. Subtract 2c from both sides. Gotta get rid of this positive 12. That's on the same side as a c's, so I'm going to subtract 12 and divide by 3. And it comes out pretty nice as well. Question 2, again, more practice like this, and notice how much work is being shown there so you can see the steps, right? Show your steps, so if you do make a mistake, we can easily fix that. Question 2, I'm going to add 3w to both sides. So w plus 3w would be 4w. Subtract 3 from both sides. And I'll divide by what's ever in front of the w, which is a 4. So I'm dividing by 4. Negative 1 3/4 or negative 7/4 would be fine. Last one there, B. I'm going to distribute the 3, so 3 times 3. 3 times negative 3x. 2 times x. 2 times 3. And I still have the minus 30. Left side, right now we're going to leave. Right side, I'm going to combine these 6 minus 30. You have $6 and you spend 30. How's your account doing? How much? Have 6, spend 30. 6 minus 30. $24 in the hole. All right, I'm going to add 9x then to get rid of that. X's are on one side now. I gotta get rid of a minus 24. Ian, how do I get rid of a minus 24? Add 24, do the opposite. 9 plus 24. 33. Last step. 5. Divide by 11. Comes out perfect. Answer is 3. All right, turn to the page then. Question 3. Elena says the equation 9x plus 15 equals 3x plus 15 have no solution because 9x is greater than 3x. Do you agree? So we are going to have two different equations with two different slopes. Elena is saying that they will never cross. She's saying that they are parallel. Do you agree with that?
Yeah.
Well, are the slopes the same? Are the numbers in front of the x the same? Okay, so if the slopes are different, they cannot be parallel. So Elena is incorrect. There is a solution. Means the lines will cross because the slopes are different. So they will cross somewhere. All right, next one. Anybody take 21 divided by 14? Not too small. Got a calculator handy. Humor me and take 21 divided by 14.
A number smaller than 14.
No.
1.5. All right, that number goes here. 3 over 2. So that means if I'm going from left to right, I take it times 1.5. If I go the other way, I divide by 1.5. So 64 times 1.5 is 96. 39 divided by 1.5 is 26. So times 1.5 going this way. Divided going the other way. Write an equation. All right. Y equals 1.5 or 3 over 2 times whatever the x is. C, graph those points. All right, kind of started on that. Points were 14, 21, 64, 96, 26, 39, and 1 and 1.5. And then connect them best you can. Should all be on the line. And you can always make the dot a little bit bigger to make your graph look better. There you go, there it is graphed. Any questions on that?